Hey guys, Kurt from Vhedia here. Just a quick video showing you how to do a system update for your Q series BMW head unit. So take note, this step is only for BMW 6125 models. If you have an Audi, you have a Benz, then it will be a different steps for you. So first, get a USB flash drive with at least 4 to 8 gigabytes of storage. Your kit should come with one, but if not, you can use any USB file or USB flash drive rather for the update. So first thing you need to do is to format the USB flash drive as F8032. This way, the head unit can recognize the USB flash drive. So if you have a Mac, you can go to disk utility, then simply click on your USB or the name of your USB flash drive, and then click on erase. Make sure that the format is F8032 and then click erase. Now, if you have a Windows, the steps is pretty much the same. Just insert your flash drive and then a file explorer will show up. You just need to right click on your USB flash drive name and then click on format. It doesn't show here since this is a Mac, but definitely on Windows, you will see the format option when you right click on your USB flash drive's name. Okay. The format is complete. What we need to do next is to download the update firmware. So head over to our website vhedia.com.au, go to downloads and click on Q series downloads. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see current build number 3.09. So again, this is only for BMW 6125 models. If you have an Audi or Mercedes-Benz, it's a total different firmware for you guys. Now click on firmware download and the download will start. I already downloaded the file, so I'll just cancel this one. Now once it's done downloading, you will see a zip file like this one. Simply right click and then choose unzip. It will start unzipping the file. Cool. Now open the extracted zip file and then copy this whole folder right here. So it will be the same name, but you need to open it once and then copy the folder after you open it, because it will not work if you just copied it as is after you extract it. So you need to open the folder and copy the folder in it. I'll copy that one to my USB flash drive. It may take a while because it's kind of a huge file, but just wait it out. Alright, now we're done copying the update file on the USB flash drive. So let's eject this one and move over to the head unit and do the update. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, now that we have the update file on the USB flash drive, let's go ahead and insert this on your head unit's USB port. You will see the two USB ports. One is USB 1 and then USB 2. You can use either of the two ports. So I'm going to use USB 1 for this. Now just wait for the update to initiate. As you can see, it is now preparing or going through the update. So you just need to wait this out as it may take some time. Okay, we're almost done with the update. This probs took around 5 to 10 minutes, guys. After this, the head unit will restart and it may take quite some time for the head unit to boot up, but again, just need to wait it out. Okay, then after that, you're all good. Let's see. As you can see now, the firmware version shows what's on the website, so it's 3.09, and that's how you update your BMW Q series head unit, guys. Cheers!